How to fix the missing sleep option in Windows? Here's how. First, click the Start menu and select the power icon. If you don't see the sleep option, don't worry. Here's how to restore it. Now, search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. Next, click Power Options. From the left side, select Choose what the power buttons do. Now, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Scroll down to the Shutdown Settings section. If the sleep checkbox is unchecked, simply check it. Then, click Save Changes. Now, open the Start menu again and click the power icon. You'll see that the sleep option is now available. That's it. You've successfully restored the missing sleep option in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.